Okay guys, here we are on site on this bathroom remodel. We're pretty much finished, right? Except for Eric coming for the plumbing to connect it, but I'm finished here pretty much, and it went great for me. It's been a great experience working for Tom. Happy I was able to help him get this done. Issues for a while, and he's been thinking about it for a while, but I'll let him answer some questions and just tell you how his experience was, okay? Please tell us your name and where you live.
My name is Tom Leach, and I live in Skillman, Somerset County.
What problem were you trying to fix?
A lot of water. I had leaks all over the place.
A lot of issues. So Tom, what made you call us initially?
A friend of mine, and also happens to be a plumber, and it does a lot of work for me, he recommended you, and he was right.
Why did you trust us with your project?
I had no reason not to.
That's a good answer. What was the experience like working with us?
Fine. I occasionally I felt like I was part of the team.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, Tom definitely helped me out with a few things here, so thank you for that. Did anything unexpected happen during the project?
No.
Nothing. That was pretty clear, you would say, with expectations and what's happening and the communication, you would say?
Everything was fine.
Correct.
Yeah.
How does us fixing your problem affect your day to day?
I'm happy with the way. I wish the whole room could be done, house could be done like this, but
yeah.
It wouldn't work.
Yeah, it wouldn't be feasible. What would happen if you didn't hire us?
Hire somebody else.
That's pretty much it, yeah.
And I was lucky. I didn't have to look very far.
Anything else you could add to like the overall experience of the job, good or bad, or maybe something that we could do better?
No.
Nothing.
No.
So it met all your expectations.
In fact, it's better than what I thought it would be.
Oh, so we exceeded your expectations, you would say?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. This interview with Tom. If you like to have a bathroom done like this, or maybe you want to, if Tom's open for it, you want to get him on the phone and say how the experience was, I'll ask Tom's permission, obviously. You can always reach out to him and he can explain to you how it went. So otherwise, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.